Are you always on your phone swiping left, swiping right? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $2 for every swipe you make on your phone. Stay tuned. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. Okay guys, I'm at this website. The name of this website is Repocket. So on this website, you're going to get paid for your unused internet. And all you got to do is click right here to register. And as you can see, as soon as you register, you get $5 right off the bat. Now, once you register, you're going to download the software. And this is how it looks, guys. Inside, once you download the software onto your phone or your tablet. Let's scroll down here and learn a little bit more. So how much can you earn? So as you can see here, they show how many devices you can use and the data shared per day. So income depends on several factors, including your location, device type, mobile carrier, ISP, speed of your internet, number of devices, number of referred users, and the amount of traffic routed through your device. So if you have 2 devices, guys, you're going to get $24 a month. Now I know that's not much, but more devices, more money you can make. And also more data shared per day, the more you can make. So if I put 3 devices, as you can see, it goes up to $36 a month. 4 devices, it goes up to $48. 5 devices goes up to $60 a month. 7 devices goes to $84. And if you go 10 devices, $120 a month. And if you use more than 2 gigabytes of data, let's go all the way to 10 gigabytes, you can make $600 a month, guys. And you're not doing anything at all. You're just sharing your internet with your devices. Now let's scroll down and look at the frequently asked questions. So how can you earn more? So we already talked about that. So all you need is more than 1 device, and that's how you earn more. Now I know this is a big question. Is my privacy secured and protected? We take privacy very seriously. We do not share your personal information outside the information needed to operate this service, like your IP address, carrier, IPS, and city. So you don't have to worry about anything, guys. Your information is going to be protected. Now, how is my internet used? Clients of GeoNode's proxy services can use your internet. Companies use your internet to monitor prices, search Google, monitor stock pricing, competitor research, and similar activities. So that's what they're going to be doing, guys, with your internet. Now, which devices can I use? So we just talked about you can use more than 1 device, but let's see what type of device. So mobile phones and tablets. So if you have a mobile phone and a tablet, you can go ahead and connect those 2 on this website or with their software and start making money off of both of those devices. And you're not going to be doing anything to make this money, guys. This is passive income. So guys, that's basically it. All you're going to do is download this software after you make an account and connect your mobile phone or your tablet to the software. Let it run in the background and you're going to get paid on a daily basis, guys. That's it. So to get started with this website and start making money, go to repocket.co. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, drop a comment down below. If you have any questions about this website, give me a like and share this everywhere, guys. Help this channel to grow. We're trying to get to 8,000 subscribers. Okay, guys. Thanks again for tuning in. I hope this video brought some value today. On that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.